I will be cooking what my husband has affectionately called necktails. It is beef neck bones cooked in an oxtail way. I am not a big fan of oxtail. I know that there are a lot of people who are, number one, for the price.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Number two, overwhelmingly, is because I don't really like the taste of them. They are just way too greasy for me and fatty. And to have an alternative to that fattiness, we are going to cook a very lean neck bone. Y'all know I'm choosing joy. Come on, let's do it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're not only choosing joy, we're spreading joy as well. Till next time.